Want to reuse the same quiz in multiple LearnPress courses without recreating it again and again? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to assign one quiz to multiple courses using the LearnPress Quiz Importer plugin with just a simple CSV file. Please note that this multi-course assignment is only possible through our LearnPress Quiz Import plugin. Step 1. Download the CSV template. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard, navigating to LearnPress and clicking the LearnPress Quiz Importer menu, which is our plugin menu. From here, click on Download CSV Sample. This will give you the official LearnPress template for importing quizzes. This CSV file comes with predefined headers that you need to fill. These include everything from quiz and question content to answer choices, and the crucial course assignment columns. Step 2. Fill in the quiz and question details. Now let's fill in the quiz details. In the CSV, locate and fill these columns carefully. 1. Quiz title, the name of your quiz. 2. Quiz content, a short description or instruction for learners. 3. Question title, the title or label for the question. 4. Question content, the main question text. 5. Question tags, optional tags to categorize questions. 6. Marks, points awarded for a correct answer. 7. Explanation, an optional explanation shown after submission. 8. Hint, a helpful tip shown when the learner clicks hint. 9. Type, question type such as single underscore choice, multiple underscore choice, or true underscore or underscore false. 10. Answer 1 to 5, all the possible answer options. 11. Correct answer, the correct option, like 1 to 3. Make sure all the required fields are filled accurately. This ensures LearnPress creates your quiz properly. Step 3. Assign the quiz to the first course. To link this quiz to a course, scroll to the columns labeled Assigned Course IDs and Assigned Section Title. 1. In Assigned Course IDs, enter the numeric ID of the first course. 2. In the Assigned Section Title, type the exact name of the section within that course where you want the quiz to appear. You can find the course ID by hovering over the course title in your course list, or from the URL when editing the course in the backend, or you can install the Catch IDs plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Once your CSV file is ready, go to your WordPress dashboard, open the LearnPress Quiz Importer plugin, and upload the file. Step 4. Assign the same quiz to another course. Here's the magic part. To assign the same quiz to another course, you don't need to retype anything. In the template column, only change these two values. One, the assigned course ID, to the ID of your second course. 2. The assigned section title, to the section title in that course. Leave the rest of the columns exactly the same. This way, the importer understands that you're assigning the same quiz to another course. Step 5. Import the CSV file into LearnPress. Once your CSV is ready, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to LearnPress and click LearnPress Quiz Importer, and upload the updated CSV file. If everything is correct, you'll get a success message, and your quiz will be imported. Step 6. Verify the quiz assignment. To confirm, go to LearnPress and click Quizzes. You'll see that the same quiz is now assigned under both courses, exactly where you placed them. Open each course and you'll find the quiz inside the section you specified. No duplicates created, just one shared quiz across multiple courses. Save time, reduce repetition, automate LearnPress with CSV imports. And that's how you can assign a single quiz to multiple LearnPress courses using just one smart CSV file. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow course creators.